Hello friends, welcome to Biren's Academy. I am Pramila. Today we will going to discuss about realism. Realism in English literature. Realism was a literary movement or an artistic movement that emerged in France in 1840s. Okay. See, the main important time period is 1865 to 1915. Remember it? 1865 to 1915. The Victorian literature marked with realism. When the Victorian literature came, it came with realism. Realism means the representation of the reality without any artificiality or without any romanticizing it. Okay, what is realism? Realism means the representation of reality. What we see, that we write. Understood? And there is no artificiality and romanticism. That is known as realism. See, the realism is a literary movement that followed romanticism. Understood? It is a literary movement that followed romanticism, and they are the realist totally rejected everything that the romantic believed it. Understood? What the romantic believed, the realist neglected it. Why? Because realists are true, they are portraying true things, their objectives are real, the object are real, the real things they are taking, and they are given focused on directing the action to the problem at hand. Okay, they are totally creating the solutions for the direct problems. Understood? But at the same time, why they neglected romanticism? That means romanticisms are very emotional. Okay, they are dependent on imaginations and they are totally escaped from reality. They are given more importance to imagination. Understood? देखो realism कौन? Realism आमरो जोटा सत्य माने डायरेक्ट आमको ट्रू जोटा सत्य ऑब्जेक्ट जोटा अच्छी सेटा को नहीं कि लेखुले माने डायरेक्ट एक्शंस नौले किसी गोटे प्रॉब्लम रो बुझिपार बट रोमांटिसिज्म कौन से माने टोटली इमोशन उपरे डिपेंड करथुले से माने टोटली इमेजिनेशन उपरे डिपेंड करथुले से मानकर टोटली रियलिटी रो से माने बहुत दूर दे आर एस्केप फ्रॉम रियलिटी बुझिपार रोमांटिसिज्म और रियलिज्म भितर डिफरेंस and it came as against of romanticism. Understood? It followed the romanticism. Okay, this is a movement that followed romanticism and rejected everything what they have given. And move on to the next point, that is features of realism. What are the features of realism? That is authentic setting, believable characters, social class, money and everyday issues, and rejected romanticism. Understood? The features कौन होची authentic setting जोटा कि real setting ताकू importance दोउथले आउ believable character माने real characters को importance दोउथले social class money आउ everyday issues जहाँ रोउथला ताकू नहीं कि writings होउथला आ से माने totally romanticism को reject कर दोउथले बुझी पल्लो. Next, the important writer associated with realism. कि important writers होछंती जो माने कि realism सहित associated. We will look into that. That is George Eliot, Charles Dickens, Henry James, Gustave Flaubert. Okay, Gustave Flaubert. They are the writers who are totally associated with realism. देखो realism से टाइम रे reality जहाँ थिला सेटा को portrayed करथुले writers माने आ से माने टोटली नेग्लेक्टेड करथुले जोटा हमरो रोमांटिसिज्म थिला ताको हमें कहबा रियलिज्म. इट इज अ लिटरेरी मूवमेंट. अंडरस्टूड? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रियलिज्म. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट you can ask me. Okay, thank you for the class.